Continuing our live team coverage now, your reporter Justin Adams is in Boulder County.
And Justin, canceling classes wasn't a light decision for schools ahead of winter break.
Yeah, especially because this week is a very important week, guys, because it's final week, but the Boulder Valley School District had to make some decisions, especially with the strong winds on the way. It's just the second time Xcel Energy has planned power shutoffs, reducing the risk of a power line sparking and start a wildfire. Boulder Valley School District decided to stay open today with only one school in the shutoff zone, but the decision still has to come hours before the wind really begins, allowing parents to also keep kids home for an excused absence today.
Goal is always to keep schools open and operating. There's a lot of things going on there. This week is finals week for our high school students. We have students that depend on us for services. You know, if they don't have warm food to eat, a warm place to stay, you know, our schools are, you know, the center of our community.
Now, I want you to take a look at this real quick. You can start to see things start to move just a little bit, and in the next couple of hours, that's expected to change a lot. And with that, the Boulder Valley School District also says, look, if things do escalate and they do decide to close schools today due to the high winds that we're expecting to see today, they will alert families and staff as soon as possible through their emergency communications channels. That's through text, that's through emails, and also they will leave a message on their website too, their emergency website, just in case if they do decide to close today. So please make sure that you go online to keep yourself updated throughout the day. In Superior, your reporter Justin Adams covering Colorado First.
Justin, thank you. Right now in several counties, stage 1 fire restrictions are in effect. Outdoor fires are not allowed in Arapahoe, Douglas, Jefferson, and Boulder counties.
CBS Colorado